All right, the focus of this lesson is pay periods and hourly rates. Example 1. Samantha, a waitress, worked her 40 regular hours last week, plus 7 overtime hours at the time and a half rate. Her gross pay was $611.05. The question we're trying to answer here is, what is her hourly rate? Okay, so we are going to determine how much she made per hour using the information they've provided. So we know that her total pay is based on two things: the regular pay, right, from the 40 hours, plus the overtime pay that she earned from those 7 overtime hours. We know that her regular pay will be 40 hours times how much she gets paid, right? And we know that her overtime pay will be 7 hours times 1.5 times her hourly pay. So let's let X represent her hourly rate. Then her regular pay will be 40 times that, so 40x. And let's let 7 times 1.5x be her overtime pay. Now note here we have 7 hours of time and a half. This 1.5 is 1.5, and that's the same as here, time and a half. And then X is the pay, how much she makes per hour. So 40x plus 7 times 1.5x is equal to $611.05. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is let's simplify this part here, this multiplication. We have 7 times 1.5. Right, so 7 times 1.5, and that's 10.5. So we have 40x plus 10.5x is equal to $611.05. Now we're going to add our like terms. This term here has an x, and this term here has an x, so we can add them together. 40x's plus 10.5x's is equal to 50.5x's. So we have 50.5x is equal to $611.05. 50.5 is being multiplied to the x. We want to isolate the variable x or get it by itself. We're going to divide both sides of this equation by 50.5, which is going to give us $12.10. Okay, now just to show you, in case you're not sure what just happened, we divided by 50.5 on both sides of the equation. And that way, 50.5 divided by 50.5 is 1. We're left with just 1x on the left. And then on the right, show you really quickly, we had $611.05 divided by 50.5, which gave us that $12.10. So we can see then that Samantha is earning an hourly rate of $12.10. Now it's your turn to try. Jillian worked her 40 regular hours last week, plus 2 overtime hours at a double time rate. Her gross pay was $484. What was her hourly rate? Pause the video. Give it a try.